Ever feel like taking a nap right after a meal? You're not alone. Let's find out why this happens. Large meals make you sleepy. A big meal means your body works harder to digest, redirecting energy and making you feel sluggish. High tryptophan foods. Foods like poultry, eggs, cheese, and soy contain tryptophan, which boosts serotonin, a neurotransmitter that makes you drowsy. Foods with melatonin. Some foods, like cherries, bananas, and nuts, contain melatonin, the sleep hormone, which can make you feel ready for bed. Blood sugar spikes and crashes. Eating lots of carbs and sugar can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar, followed by a crash, leaving you drained. Poor sleep at night? If you're not getting enough quality sleep, meals can make you even more tired during the day. Digestive energy demand. The body sends extra blood to the digestive system after a meal, sometimes leaving less for your brain, making you feel sluggish. Underlying health conditions. Diabetes, anemia, hypothyroidism, sleep apnea, and food intolerances can contribute to post-meal tiredness. If fatigue is frequent, it's worth checking with a doctor. If post-meal fatigue is constant, it might be time to adjust your diet or check with a doctor. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.